Do you use the built-in snipping tool for Windows to capture screenshots? There's a much better option. Let's get into it. If you're currently using the Windows snipping tool to capture screenshots, you'll want to see what this tool can do. This free and open source screen capture program does way more than screenshots, with advanced features built in like support for multiple monitors, application-specific capture, screen recordings, and a built-in image editing tool. This will seriously upgrade your current workflow. Today, we're talking about ShareX. ShareX is a free and open source screen capture and recording tool that gives you a huge range of options for capturing, annotating, and sharing content. Unlike the Windows snipping tool, which is limited to basic screenshot features, ShareX provides many capture options including scrolling capture. This is perfect for long web pages or documents. The Windows snipping tool doesn't offer this. With Windows Capture, you can quickly grab specific application windows without cropping out other content. GIF Capture, or GIF if you prefer, is perfect if you're creating tutorials or just want to share a quick animation. ShareX lets you record part of your screen as a GIF. ShareX even has an auto capture feature, allowing you to set a timer and take screenshots automatically at set intervals, ideal for monitoring or time-lapse projects. The Windows snipping tool does let you draw or add highlights, but ShareX's editing tools go way further. Once you take a screenshot, ShareX opens up a built-in editor where you can add annotations like arrows, text, and shapes, blur sensitive information, or pixelate areas you don't want to show. Apply color effects or drop shadows to make parts of your screenshot pop. Another huge advantage of ShareX is how easy it is to share what you capture. You can set up ShareX to automatically upload screenshots to various platforms including Dropbox, Google Drive, and more. This feature is awesome if you need to share images regularly, like for work, social media, or collaboration. Plus, you can create custom workflows with hotkeys to capture, edit, and upload, all with a single keyboard shortcut. Screen recording is another feature that the snipping tool doesn't have. You can record your screen and even create GIFs on the fly. This is a game changer if you need to make tutorials or want to capture quick video snippets. Now that is an awesome feature to have, especially for specific use cases. Now me personally, for screen recording when it's related to like video content, there are better options out there. OBS is the one that I use, and there will be an upcoming video for that. ShareX also has other advanced options like OCR, that's optical character recognition, which lets you copy text from images. This means you can quickly capture text from screenshots without typing it out. Let me say that again. You can copy the text from an image. This is a big deal. Have you ever had a picture that contained text, but it's a picture, right? So you can't copy and paste the text? Or a PDF that wasn't editable that you needed to get that text from? There you go. Although for PDFs, I have a video on a free PDF editor. Check that out. Real quick, if you're finding value in this video, like and share the video and subscribe to the channel. Subscribing to the channel doesn't cost you a thing, but it tells the YouTube algorithm that people are enjoying my videos, and they will put it out to a broader audience, which helps me grow the channel so I can continue to bring you weekly content just like this. Thank you, and back to the video. Now that you know what ShareX is all about, let's go download it and set it up. Let's jump in. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is hop over here to Google and type in ShareX. It's going to be the first one here. From the ShareX screen, we're going to click download. Now you have two options here to download. The dev build is going to be the newest release, but it could potentially still be buggy. So I'm going to come over here to the setup, which is the stable release. Go ahead and click on that. You will see that download in the top right hand corner of my screen. Once it's complete, I'm going to click on it. You will get the user account control. Go ahead and click yes. Once you accept the agreement, click next. Then you can minimize that. This will set up fairly quickly. Make your decisions here on the options you want. I'm going to unselect the last three. That's my preference, but make sure that you go through here and uncheck the ones that you do not want. Once the setup's complete, you'll see the icon there on your desktop, and just go ahead and leave the checkbox for Launch ShareX and click Finish. This will launch the program. Alright, and the first thing you see here is it shows us our hotkeys. So these are the hotkeys that you can use to bring up the different capture methods. You can go into the settings here and change those to any key on your keyboard that you want. I'm going to leave these as the default for now. Okay, then we'll go up here to the capture window. Here you can see all of the different capture methods. So you've got full screen, you've got specific window. So whatever's up on a window, you can choose the specific application there. Next, this is where the multiple monitor support comes in. So on this test computer, I'm only connected to one monitor, but if I had multiple monitors, I could select which monitor here that I wanted to screen capture. Below that, we have the different regions, and for the regions, so you can select entire screen, active window, screen recording. You have the scrolling capture there, which is very useful. You have the auto caption feature there. Here we have a screenshot delay, so you can set up to a 5-second delay before it takes the screenshot. Okay, next we have the different upload methods. Upload directly to file, upload folder. You can even upload directly to X with your tweets if that is your thing. Then we have the different workflows here, followed by a whole bunch of tools, including the color picker, the screen color picker, ruler, image editor, image beautifier, which I need for all of my profile pictures, image effects, image viewer, image combiner. It goes on and on and on. QR code, there's the OCR option down there I was talking about. Video converter, video thumbnails. Let's grab a random image off of Google and blow it up where you can see it. Let's do a screen capture. If I turn on the recognize OCR, it will capture the text from the image. So let's try that real quick. Of course, this image doesn't have very much text, just the words Halloween candy up there. But as you can see, it did capture it, so if that was an image that had a lot of text on there that I needed to capture, that would come in handy. You can hop over here to the image editor, and you have all of these tools to edit your image after you take the screenshot. And then here we have a ton of different adjustments and filters that you can add. So there you have it. ShareX is packed with features, it's completely free, and it's a huge step up from the Windows snipping tool. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who takes a lot of screenshots, ShareX can make your life easier. Do me a favor, like and share the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out some of these video suggestions. Thank you for watching, and until next time.